Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with a brand new video, and this time we finally have some sort of official DJI Mavic 3 leaks for all of you in today's video. And most importantly, this is going to be regarding its new transmission system that the DJI Mavic 3 will be utilizing. And in today's video we have all of the info that you need to know. Today's video is going to be a very exciting one and you don't want to miss out on it, my friends. It's going to be a very good one. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we'll always be the first ones to bring you the latest drone news. And also we're getting close to 5,000 subscribers, so if you're new to the channel, I will truly appreciate if you will subscribe so that we can get to that 5,000 subscriber goal, which we're very close from. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be a very exciting one. Well, my friends, today we finally have some official DJI Mavic 3 leaks, my friends. That is right. It's been a long time since we have any new info regarding the DJI Mavic 3, and it looks like this time it is coming directly from DJI. That is right. I know some of you might be a little confused, but well, don't worry, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you everything that you need to know. So by now all of you know that the DJI Mavic 3 will be coming out this year, and most importantly this summer, and definitely without a doubt the DJI Mavic 3 will be DJI's next drone. There's no doubt about that. The Mavic 2 Pro has been in the market for almost 3 years, and I mean that's a very long time for a DJI drone. They're normally in the market around 2 years before a new release comes out, but I think this time it's the time for the DJI Mavic 3, and it's pointing that this summer will be its time. Now, we're not here to talk about the release date. Today we're here to talk about the transmission system that the DJI Mavic 3 will be utilizing. That is right. So in case you guys didn't know, the DJI FPV drone was released a week ago, okay? And this is a brand new hybrid drone that brings the best from both worlds, from the Mavic drones and also from the FPV world, okay? If any of you are interested in buying the drone, the link is going to be down below to the official DJI website. But why am I saying this? Well, the new DJI FPV drone utilizes a new transmission system we hadn't seen before ever. And what am I even talking about? Well, the new DJI FPV drone utilizes OcuSync 3.0. That's right, that's a brand new OcuSync from DJI, so it's completely different from OcuSync 2.0, which is what we find on most high-end DJI drones. So the latest technology that DJI had was OcuSync 2.0, which we found it on the DJI Mini 2, the Mavic Air 2, the Mavic 2 Pro, okay? So those were DJI's most popular products, and they utilized OcuSync 2.0, which was great, okay? And it gave us 10 kilometers of range, which is right around 7 miles, okay? Somewhere around there, 6-7 miles, okay? Now, the OcuSync 3.0 that the DJI FPV utilizes will give us a range of 10 kilometers. Unfortunately, it's staying the same, okay? Around 6 miles we get with the DJI FPV drone, so the range, it looks like it was not improved whatsoever. Okay, so 10 kilometers, it stays the same, okay? I'm gonna touch on that a little bit later on, okay? But we know that the DJI Mavic 3 will have a new transmission system, and we know that it will have OcuSync 3.0, and we know this thanks to Osiralby and a sketch that he did a few months back, which we can confirm right here on screen. So he said that the DJI Mavic 3 will have OcuSync 3.0, okay, and that it will give us a range of 10 kilometers, okay, so which is the exact same thing which we currently now have with OcuSync 3.0, which is utilized on the DJI FPV drone. So literally, DJI, with the release of the FPV drone and the inclusion of OcuSync 3.0 on the FPV drone, we know that the Mavic 3 will for sure have OcuSync 3.0. I mean, I'm 99% confident that will be the case, unless DJI decides to create something brand new, which I don't really think that will be the case. We might be seeing a new transmission system, but everything, my friends, is pointing 99%. I'm pretty positive Mavic 3 will have OcuSync 3.0, confirmed by OCLB and by other multiple reliable sources. So it looks like Mavic 3 will definitely have OcuSync 3.0, and we can confirm the range that it will have, which will be 6.5 miles or 10 kilometers. Will it be more when it's launched? We know that DJI is actually capable of doing that. And why am I saying this? Well, when the Mavic 2 Pro was released, it had a range of 8 kilometers with OcuSync 2.0, and then around 6 months ago, DJI updated the OcuSync 2.0 firmware, which allowed it to go 2 kilometers more, which is around 1 more mile. So it went from 8 kilometers to 10 kilometers. So maybe, cross our fingers, guys, the OcuSync 3.0, when it's released on the Mavic 3, maybe 12 kilometers, could it be even 15? We still don't know, but we do know for sure 10 kilometers. And for all of you asking, is there going to be a difference between OcuSync 2.0 and OcuSync 3.0? Well, there will definitely be a difference, and we can already tell that between flying a Mavic Air 2 and or the DJI FPV drone, okay? Now keep in mind that because the drone can go 6 miles out, that doesn't mean that we should fly that far, because first of all, that's not safe, that's not legal, okay? So remember to always keep your drone within your line of sight. Now, why is this really important? Well, because the stronger the transmission system, the better the connection will be between you and the drone, okay? And the less lag you will have and the less disconnection you will have, and that can really avoid an accident. So remember, the better the signal, it's the better, because when you're flying in very Wi-Fi congested areas, a good strong transmission system will definitely be useful and handy. So definitely when it comes between the OcuSync 2.0 and OcuSync 3.0, there's definitely a noticeable difference, and hopefully DJI can enhance it a little bit on the Mavic 3, so hopefully we get an even stronger OcuSync 3.0 when it comes out, okay? So we can confirm OcuSync 3.0 will be on the Mavic 3. It's coming out on summer, and as soon as we have any more new info, we're gonna keep you guys updated here on the channel. That's all I have for all of you today. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion, signing out.